Right, we're going to do unboxing with my new 3-in-1 curling wand. Let's open. Open it then. Wow, what's inside?
We've got hair stuff inside of here.
Yeah. Let's open. Oh, what's this?
Mommy's hair stuff.
Oh, gloves. I think this one so you don't burn your hand.
You won't burn your hand with those gloves.
Yeah. So what we have here is this. We have the same one but pink.
Yep.
Oh.
A black clip.
So
And
this
also, we've also got a charger here.
This is not a charger. It's the iron. So you can use this to like clip here. Or what they do, they get this half and then turn, twist, and then do it like that. And then flip it like that so you can iron this hair. Yeah.
I'm gonna draw a label.
That's right. What's this? Oh, I like this. Oh, look, Lucho. This is where you put the bits. Small one. If you want the very, this one is, it's like it's the pink bit is coming off. So you put it like that. I think you do it like this. Oh yeah. Turn and then lock. So it doesn't come off. So, see darling, there's like a 2 level of heat. The first and the second. So there's the other one. Oh, there's 3. Oh, there's 3 here. Oh, look. I think this one is the one where you're like, let's say here, turn. And then from here, it's bigger and it goes like smaller, like iron. And then let go of that. Right. And then this one is a bigger size. If you want a bigger curl. Like that. Yeah. And we have instruction. I'm not gonna put it on today because Lucho's here and he will want to touch it and it's gonna burn his hands. Yeah, I'm so excited to use this. I've been wanting to have this for ages. And Daddy bought this for Mommy, didn't he? He bought this for Mama. Say thank you to Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Push.